Hi everybody, today I'm going to talk about a Tesla ring that can unlock the Tesla doors and also get you to start driving. Now, what is it good for? This is good for in case you just want to put a ring on your finger and that's it. So say you're going to do some sports, say you're going to the beach, you don't want to take your phone or your card or anything, just have a ring on your finger. Now, when I first got my Tesla, I was thinking of making one myself. So I bought a ring base, which is like this. This is tungsten carbide. And it basically has a channel here. And what you do is you melt the old card and you put the components that are in the card wrapped around the base of this ring, and then you fill it and then you make a ring. I ended up not doing it because I just didn't have time and all sorts of reasons. But then I found this ring from Tlyard and I asked them, hey, would you send me one to review? And they said, sure. And here we are. I have a size 11 ring. So this is my ring, size 11. And I asked them to send me a size 11. And it came in this nice packaging. As you can see, very nice wooden packaging with a magnet. And this is it. Very nicely made ring. Okay. So perfect fit. It looks like this. If I put my regular ring next to it, you can see that there are similar sizes. By the way, I never noticed before, but they do have the Tesla logo etched right here. Not sure that's a good idea, but you can always rotate it like this. Maybe it's a good, maybe it's for a reason, so you know how to orient the ring. So we'll see. In the next segment, I will show you how to get the ring paired with the car, right? And then I'll demonstrate how it essentially works with the car, so you don't have to have your phone or your Tesla card to unlock and drive the car. Okay, so let's get to it. All right, so to pair your ring to the car, you click on the car menu, then locks, then add key, right? And then it tells you to scan your new key and the wireless charger to begin. Now, in the Model Y Juniper, it's the driver's side charging pad. In your car, it could be in a different location. It depends on the model. They keep changing it. Okay, so first step is to scan the new ring. Okay, now it asks me to tap an existing card. Okay, so now it says that the key has been added. Let's see where it is. You see, the key was added. And you can change the name and call it ring. Cool. So now, in order to drive the car, all I have to do is basically tap with my finger. I mean, it's already unlocked, but let me show you how it unlocks and locks the car using the pillar. So first thing, I want to give you a warning. Don't tap the ring like that on the pillar. It could crack the glass, okay? Just gently do it. Now, as far as I understand, the sensor is about here. So just look in your manual and see where the sensor is and where they recommend to swipe the card. Same thing would go with the ring. So let's try it. See, it locked the car. And now that if I want to unlock it, I can go like this. And it unlocked it. So that's basically it. Now you don't have to do anything. You don't have to have anything on you to unlock the car and drive it. And the beauty of this is that this does not need batteries. It will never ever need batteries, and it pretty much is a solid state. All right, so I will link this product in the description, and I will also link a ring sizer, because make sure you know your ring size. Otherwise you're gonna have to, make sure you know the ring size, because this ring sizing is perfectly sized. Okay, so I'll leave a link in the description for this product. There's also a coupon code that will knock off, I believe, 20% off the price, which makes it much more reasonable. All right, so if you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comment box. Don't forget to thumb up, subscribe if you want to see more content just like this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.